I pranked some streamers live using this knocking sound effect. I went to blerp.com to find the most realistic knocking sound. From there I went to blerp.com/live to find streamers who are actively using the Blerp extension. And now we're ready to go.
Oh wow, that was very worth it. I got 2 levels for killing. Am I the only person that heard that knocking? Alright, you heard it too? Okay. That shit just scared the shit out of me. What the fuck was that?
There's a volume up as well. It's weird because it plays in your right ear, plays in your left ear, like FBI open up.
Like a 6, I'd say this is like a 7. So proud of you! The first time somebody's played the knock knocking, it actually worked. Actually got me.